Eric B's Daily Vlogs.
One of those beautiful days where you're hoping you don't get any wind noise. And if you're looking for directions, which way do I want to go to? That way. Let's get this started.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Welcome everyone, it's my daily vlog channel, Eric B's Daily Vlogs. I don't have to tell you where I am, because I can show you. Right there, Land's End. Not because of Land's End, but there's an area down here that it's a nice spot to just come and chill and relax. And today is one of those days. So let's walk down this trail and let's go check it out. Let's go. Let's go. Again, that sign right there is telling you directions you want to go to. The furthest one is the bottom one, the Golden Gate Bridge, 2.2 miles away. But we're going to walk down this way. And this nice wind, have a little Land's End map that's telling you things that you can see in this area. Exploring Land's End. You got the USS San Francisco, which I visited a few times. You got the shipwreck remains, which I never have luck, because whenever I go there, I don't ever see it. Then you got a bunch of history. China Beach, which I visited. And before you go, practice your social distancing. Wear face coverings when social distancing cannot be maintained. I do have my mask. Cover your mouth when you sneeze. Maintain trails. All that stuff. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. That's one of those sayings that they've always been telling us during this whole social distancing is cover your face, cover your mouth, don't touch, don't make eye contact, all that stuff. But I'm outdoors right now, so I've been wearing a mask for about 8 hours, and I'm pretty sure you can still see the mask lines around my face. So coming out here, not having to wear a mask, it's probably a cool thing. And check out this view right here. You walk down this trail and you look up and you see the Pacific Ocean. You guys know where I'm getting at. You know where I'm getting at. Because I'm gonna walk into this clearing right here and I'm gonna pan to my right. And there she is, the Golden Gate Bridge. From where I'm standing, if you guys can see this, it's kind of like, wow. The other day they showed a documentary on ESPN called 30 for 30, and it was a Bruce Lee documentary, and it was called Be Water. Bruce Lee's famous saying, be water, be still, all that. But brings me out to this area because you see the background right there. And if you ever watched the movie Birth of the Dragon, which was a story of Bruce Lee and his famous fight against Wong Jack Man, Wong Jack Man, yeah, that's his name, Wong Jack Man. His famous fight that he supposedly didn't have. I'm trying to move away from the windy area so you can hear me clear. There's this scene where he's standing here with one of Bruce Lee's students, and this is the area in the background. And I've been trying to look for it for weeks, and I found it. Right here, check out the screenshot of what it looked like. I'm not standing quite in the exact same spot where they were standing, but this is the backdrop. They were standing more up that direction because you can see parts of the road, and they were on a trail, but they were having this nice backdrop right there. I could go a little closer and get a better picture, but this right here is kind of deterring me from jumping over. And I'm pretty sure there's a sign right here as well. And it does say, stay on trail. So we'll listen. We'll stay on the trail. Little marker right here telling you exactly where you want to go if you want to walk. And a little dedication right here, 2014, the restoration of Eagle Point Overlook, which, where I'm standing right now, was made possible through the generosity of the Richard and Rhonda Goldman Fund. If you guys know Rhonda and Richard Goldman, they own a lot of things here in San Francisco. They own a senior home as well in the Western Addition. And this right here, Eagle Point Overlook. This is why it's an overlook. Still using the DJi Osmo Action, waiting patiently for my Sony ZV-1 to come into the mail. And right now, this is actually doing better than I expected. And for you guys who are out looking for a small compact camera that you can stick in your pocket, besides the ZV-1, you can get this right here. It's not a plug. I can stand here all day and just stare out there. I can, but I won't, because I'm hungry. It's dinner time, so I won't. This is the Richmond Seacliff neighborhood that you're seeing, and Presidio right there. The Battery West, Battery East, Battery Chamberlain, all in the distance right there. And then this weekend they had a protest march across the Golden Gate Bridge because they needed everybody to breathe. And if you can't breathe looking out there, then something is wrong with you. I'm walking on this little weird, I don't know, something. And I'm walking because there's a good overlook down that way. And hopefully you can hear me with the wind and the wind gust. Hopefully you can hear me. But check out what I'm saying. Down that way, on a nice low tide, you'd see the shipwrecks that I told you guys about earlier. There is a trail that you can make your way down there, and I'm not gonna make my way down there. You got the helipad in the distance right over there that you can see pretty clear from China Beach, which is right below us down that direction, right below, right there, China Beach area. You can see the helipad right over there, that area. And then those rocks right there is where that Shipwreck Cove is what they call it. And if you go around the bend right over that way and go down, you see the little labyrinth at Land's End. It's a pretty good hike down there, and I'm not gonna make my way down there. You got Presidio Golf Course right here. Oh, is this the Lincoln Park? No, this is the Lincoln Park Golf Course. Let me get that straight. Lincoln Park Golf Course, because the Presidio Golf Course is up there, not here. But there's the bridge. Staring at that breathe sign, I'm not sure if that is new with the whole movement that's going on right now. And it looks like someone tried to break it off. Looks like someone tried to crack it. But if you're standing where I'm standing and all this wind and you can't breathe, there's a lot of wind. It's a beautiful day here in the Bay. If you're ever out in this location, definitely come check this place out. Hopefully it's not going to be as windy as it is right now. Hopefully the quality you're hearing is pretty good. I do have the Rode mic right here with a little wind muff. Hopefully that's enough for you guys to actually hear everything. But again, look at that view. Can't beat it. Wouldn't want to either. nice one last look here at Eagle Point Overlook. Sun's gonna set in the next couple hours. This is a place where people like to go and watch the sunset, which you can't really see because it sets on the other side of the trees in the distance. But this is a good place to go. And again, a little windy, but check out that view. All right, guys, no adventure today, just a nice coming out and one of those days where you just want to, again, relax, catch your breath, enjoy what's right in front of you. And me standing here, looking at the bridge, filming location. Again, this is where they had the scene where Wong Jack Man, forget the other guy's name, it was one of Bruce Lee's students, came out here and they had that whole long conversation on whether Bruce Lee was right and was he a better teacher than Wong Jack Man. So this is the area. Again, I was looking for it for weeks, but it was more up in that area, the trail area that you see behind me there in the dark. But this is where it was. This is where they had the scene, and this is the only place that I can think of that it was shot at. So it's a cool spot to visit. It's a windy day. It's not cold, but it's not warm, so it's a nice day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Big shout out to Linda Spalding. Left me a lot of comments down below, and I will try to get out to those areas to go see. Excuse me, I am at the moment not looking for the treasure, not looking for the cask, just because it drives me crazy and it takes up a lot of my time, takes up a lot of my kids' time. So I'm not looking for the cask. Excuse me. It's that era where we can't cough in public. And the sign did say that I have to cover my mouth. But anyways, so Linda Spalding, thanks for checking out my vlogs. There's more vlogs to come. Definitely keep coming back every day. If you haven't subscribed, Linda, subscribe. Also, check out my Patreon page down below. Go ahead and donate $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Donate how much you think I'm worth. Some of you guys out there think I'm only worth $1. But that's okay, because $1 adds up. So if I had 10 people that donated $1, that's $10. 100, that's 100. If I had all 1,695 subscribers all donated $1, that's $1,600 a month. I might quit my job. But I won't. Linda Spalding, thank you for checking out my channel. More adventures to come. And I will definitely try to get up to the Young Museum. I think you said 40th floor or something like that, or something. We'll try to get up there as soon as these museums are open back up. With you guys donating to my Patreon, letting me be able to go into these museums, then I will definitely go check these places out. But today, just needed to unwind. It was a long day, and there's a lot of people giving me looks because I'm not wearing my mask, and I should be having my mask on, but I'm not around them. I'm 6 feet apart. I am not around them, so I'm not gonna wear it till I start walking back up towards the car. Yeah. Thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Leave me comments down below. Here from Eagle, what's this place called? Eagle Overlook? Eagle Point Overlook? Anyways, here from Land's End. Thanks for watching, guys. It's a beautiful day. Vlog's ended. Go in peace. I will never, ever get tired of this view. Never. Camera is not doing justice for what my naked eye is seeing. See all you looky-loos? I do have a mask on, and I do wear it. So stop hating that I don't wear a mask.
I made this.